Hello everyone. So this is how to install your Xbox app, newly updated Xbox on iPhone. So just go to Xbox app, tap get and confirm with a Touch ID or Face ID or your password. And so if you're new to iPhone, there is like an app store and you need to create your account, sign in with it. It's your account is called Apple ID, and then you can just search for Xbox app, and then it's downloaded, and you can tap open. So its size is 91 megabytes, and here is the app. So that's that, and then you will need to set up console. Um, or sign in. So hope it's helpful and thanks for watching.